Hello everyone, welcome to my English composition class. Today we are going to be talking about pizzas, okay, but we are not going to be eating it, we are just going to be talking about the shape of the pizzas, okay. Now if you have a pizza and it is circular in shape, we know you get pizzas in square shape as well, but we will consider the circular shape, and if I have to eat it, I obviously cannot eat the entire thing, I have to cut it. So I will divide this into half. So we could call this one half and the other half. Now I want to further divide it. So I'll draw another line here and this will be called quarter. So I'm eating quarter of a pizza, or I would say 1/4 of a pizza. Okay. Now I want to divide it even further. So I draw another line here. Now this cannot be called a quarter, neither can this be called a quarter. So we'll give it another name. Okay, so in this case I will write here less than a quarter. Okay, so this is less than a quarter, then what will this become? You need to give this a name as well, right? So we'll call this a small minority. Okay. Now, after you know this, when you dissect this entire pie chart, you have half, quarter, less than a quarter and a small minority. Now, half can also be known as a majority. Okay, so have you understood this? This is what your pie chart is going to be looking like. We are going to be doing something called pie chart. It's also known as a pie graph. Okay, and we are going to be analyzing this pie chart in the form of words. Now what you have here is a pictorial form. We are going to be using it in the form of words and creating two paragraphs with this information that is going to be given. Now in the question you have question A, in the question you will have A, B, C and D. That means this part will be A, this will be B, this will be C and this will be D. And each of them will have a certain section of it, a topic will be given and it will be divided into A, B, C and D. Now you will have to use this information that is given in this question and the pie chart, and you are going to be putting it together to form your sentences. Okay, so that's what we are going to be doing next. Okay, so now we are with the PowerPoint presentation. Pie charts can be thought of as a circle graph. To calculate the quantities represented by each slice of the pie chart, we are going to be using certain terms. Okay, so the terms that you are going to be using is majority, minority, less than a quarter, more than a quarter, a third, two-thirds. All these words you can use as I showed you in the earlier. Joining words. Now whenever you are joining, two of these sentences that will be given in the question, you're going to be using words like however, whereas, on the contrary, on the other hand, or while. These are the words that you have to remember when you're joining it. Now how do you begin? Okay, you have to write two paragraphs as I said earlier. First paragraph is write what you see and the second paragraph is write what you feel about it. Okay, what is your feeling about this topic, you will be writing in your second paragraph, and your first paragraph is what you actually see in your, that will be part of the question. So whatever the question, you're going to be writing in your first paragraph. Okay, now reporting verbs. You could use words like thought, felt, believed, suggested, stated, opined, remarked, preferred. These are the words that you're going to be using in your vocabulary. You're going to be using it in your pie chart. And again you're going to be, your first paragraph will be the results of the survey show that. So you're going to start with this sentence, and your second paragraph you're going to start with in my opinion or according to me. In my opinion or according to me. So these are the words that you have to remember. Please write this down in your composition book so that you know when you're referring, you can refer to it as and when you keep on doing your pie charts. Okay, now this is the question. This is what a question looks like. In a survey, 90 people were asked to indicate which one of the 5 musical instruments they play. The information is given in the pie chart. Interpret the pie chart and write 2 paragraphs on it. So A, if you look at A, it is the organ. Okay, Now 90 people were asked which instruments. So 90, so most of them said, so you're going to be saying majority of them. Okay, you could use the word majority or maximum. Okay, organ. So with regards to organ, you have a majority there. B looks like a quarter, so you could say a quarter of them play the guitar. Okay, now when you're joining A and B, you're going to be using words like whereas, on the other hand. Okay, here joining words. However, whereas, on the contrary, on the other hand. This is what you're going to be using when you're joining the A and B together. And when you're joining C and D also, you will do the same thing. Okay, now C is less than a quarter. So you'll be using C as less than a quarter, and D is a small minority here. So first what you're going to do is, when you get a question like this, you got to identify what shape it is. Okay, what is the quantity of that, of the pie chart, and then you will put it into, join these two together, that is this and the pie chart, join it together and create your paragraph. So we'll start with the results of the survey show that, as I said earlier, you're going to be starting with this first one. The results of the survey show that, correct? So the results of the survey show that majority of the people played the organ. Am I right? If you look at the pie chart, majority of the people played the organ. While, so I'm using a joining word here, while a quarter preferred playing the guitar. So I told you, remember the words I told you over here that you're going to be using reporting verbs? Some felt, some suggested, they felt, they opined, they remarked. Okay, all these words I have highlighted in this particular paragraph. A quarter preferred playing the guitar. Less than a quarter, now I'm going to C and D. Less than a quarter remarked. So I'm saying remarked here. For earlier I used preferred. I used preferred, now I'm saying remarked. That they played the violin. Whereas, so I've used the two connectors, while and whereas. Okay, a small minority liked playing the drums. So I've said a small minority liked playing the drums. So if you look, the red words are your joining words, and these are what I just showed you just now, your reporting words. Okay, so your joining words are here and your reporting words are here. Okay, coming to the second paragraph. Now this is basically on your opinion. What is your opinion? In my opinion, music is a very important part of my life. We need to play some instrument as it relaxes our minds. I prefer playing the organ as it calms my nerves. So basically this is your opinion, and you need to concentrate on this paragraph, because this is what because the first paragraph everybody can write. It's your second paragraph that should make a difference. Okay, now this is second one. This you should try. Okay, and try it out and see if you can do it. A survey was conducted among a group of tourists. The question asked was, what do you look for when you select a holiday destination? The results are shown in the pie chart. Write a summary on the results and your comments in 2 paragraphs. So you work on this, try it out. I'll give you the answers in the next period. So you have it divided here. Scenic beauty, so obviously that's majority. Good food and accommodation is a quarter. Temples and monuments will be less than a quarter, and D is your minority, good transport and hospitality. Okay, so this is what the tourists have said, the best holiday destination. So you will write about tourism in your second paragraph, or you will choose one from here. Like just as I chose one from the lot over here, I chose the organ, you are going to be choosing one from scenic beauty, good food, temples, and choose one from these options and write about it, okay, in your second paragraph. This is another one for you to do. A survey was conducted among students. The question asked was, what do you prefer, uniforms or plain clothes? The results are shown in the pie chart. Write a summary and see that you keep the word limit, okay, because the word limit is very, very important. So here again it's similar, A, B, C, D. The quantities are the same, majority, quarter, less than a quarter, and minority. Only thing is you have to join this pie chart to the words that are given here. So A, that means majority of them would prefer uniforms, whereas, use the joining word, whereas a quarter of them, a quarter of the students Is it students? Survey was conducted. Yeah. So quarter of the students preferred, plain clothes on special occasions. Then you put a full stop. Then you join the C and the D. Okay. Now how many of them? C is how much? Less than a quarter. Less than a quarter did not mind anything. Okay, less than a quarter of the students did not mind anything. They wouldn't mind wearing any of those uniform or plain clothes. On the other hand, okay, you will use a joining word here between C and D. A small minority preferred plain clothes to uniforms. So that's how you're going to join these this pie chart together, and then you're going to write your own paragraph. In the second paragraph, you're going to start with the starting sentence, in my opinion, and then you can start. What do you prefer? Do you prefer plain clothes or do you prefer uniform? So, and then why? Give a reason why. See that your word limit is 70 to 80 words. Do not exceed. Maybe around 85, 90 words is acceptable, but please don't go beyond that, and don't write less than that either. Okay? Here's another one for you, and that's it. So you do these three, work on these three. I'm sure it is very easy. It's not difficult at all. I'll give you the answers, approximately what it should look like in the next period. Thank you.